So I'm making this video for mostly for beginners, as I am a beginner myself. I want to talk about uh, how to find out which video performs better than the other. So as you'll notice by my videos, you'll see some have some views, some have very less views. So we'll take a look at how take a look at how you can find that out. And the best way to find that out is by going to your YouTube studio and then go to content. We'll take a look at the videos one by one. So first we'll take a look at the bad performing video. This video is not performing good at all. So even though I made a thumbnail for that, and for the other videos which have some views, I did not even make a thumbnail. So you want to go to the analytics part and then go to the reach. So this is important, like the impressions click-through rate. This means that uh, the algorithm is working fine for YouTube. The YouTube has showed the my video to the users 300 more than 300 times, but you can see that they have never almost clicked the video, so it only got 1 or 2 views. So we want to actually strive for 5 to 10% on each of our videos. So let me go back and give you a good example. For example, this video is useful. So you can see that if you check the click-through rate, it's actually 11.5, and you can see that the graph is steadily growing up and up. That's a good sign. It means that this video is very useful and will keep going up and will have more impressions, and the YouTube algorithm will suggest it more. So I heard it from another channel that actually the algorithm is actually your audience. The audience decides how well your video is performing. If we go back to this bad performing video, you can see that the video was suggested and it was not suggested anymore because no one wants to look at it at all. So that's the main thing which you want to take a look at. So I hope find this video helpful for you, and you need to make the videos more exciting and by experimenting for stuff, and hopefully you will get a better click-through rate, not like this at all. Thanks.